Namaskar. India Meteorological Department brings you daily weather briefing. Yesterday there was a low pressure area over East Central Bay of Bengal and neighborhood. This low pressure area organized into a well-marked low pressure area at 11:30 hours IST, and then it concentrated into a depression at 17:30 hours IST of yesterday. And that depression further intensified into a deep depression today at 5:30 hours IST. So that deep depression is today lying over northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal. And this deep depression is very likely to intensify into a cyclonic storm during next 6 hours, and it is very likely to move nearly westwards and cross North Andhra and South Odisha coast between Gopalpur and Vishakhapatnam around Kalingapatnam by evening of 26th September, that is tomorrow. So, under the influence of this system, we will see that what is the scenario of rainfall warning, wind warning, fisherman warning, and the storm surge warning. So, this deep depression is today lying over northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal, and it is likely to intensify further into a cyclonic storm by today evening, and it is very likely to cross North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coast between Gopalpur and Vishakhapatnam around Kalingapatnam by tomorrow evening, that is 26th September evening. So this is the forecast track of the system. As we can see that around 26:12, this is the 12 UTC, which converts into 17:30 hours IST. This system is likely to cross between Vishakhapatnam and Gopalpur as a marginal cyclonic storm. And this one is the wind warning, quadrant wind warning. As we can see that this is the current situation. It is the wind speed of 55 to 65, gusting to 75 is prevailing around the system center, and it is likely to increase by today evening, becoming 65 to 75, gusting to 85, and it will become 75 to 85, gusting to 95 by tomorrow morning over northwest and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal. And this also along the north Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coast, 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph winds are very likely from tomorrow early morning, and this will further increase to gale wind speed reaching 75 to 85, gusting to 95 from the afternoon of tomorrow, and it will continue till the landfall of the system over North Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha coast. And during this, the prior to landfall of the system, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, and Visakhapatnam districts of North Andhra Pradesh and Ganjam and Gajpati districts of South Odisha are likely to experience gale wind of the order of 75 to 85 kmph and gusting to 95 kmph. So if we look into the sea condition, then the sea condition currently rough to very rough sea conditions are prevailing over northwest and West Central Bay of Bengal, and it is very likely to become high from today evening, and it will continue. The high sea condition will continue till tomorrow, and even after landfall, the sea condition will continue to remain rough to very rough over northwest Bay of Bengal and along and off Odisha, North Andhra Pradesh coast on 27th of September. And as far as storm surge is concerned, so the model guidance is suggesting that tidal wave of about 0.5 meter height above the astronomical tide is very likely to inundate low-lying areas of Srikakulam and Vijayanagaram districts of North Andhra Pradesh and Ganjam district of South Odisha during the time of landfall of the system. Fishermen are advised not to venture into east central and adjoining northeast Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea on today and tomorrow, and they are advised not to venture into northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal and along and off Odisha, West Bengal, and North Andhra Pradesh coast till 27th of September. This is the graphical representation of rainfall warning for Odisha. So here we can see that for 26th of September, there is extremely heavy rainfall warning for that is greater than 20 centimeter rainfall warning for, if we begin from the extreme southern parts of Odisha, then Malkangiri, Koraput, Navarangpur, Rayagada, Gajpati, Ganjam and Kandhamal districts are very likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places and heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places, and Puri, Khurda, Nayagarh and Kalahandi are likely to experience very heavy rainfall, that is between 12 to 20 centimeter rainfall. And heavy rainfall warning is there for Kendrapada, Jagatsinghpur, Cuttack, Baud, Sonpur, Bolangir and Nuapada. So this is the rainfall warning for 26th, and after the landfall of the system, when system will come over to land, then also although rainfall intensity would decrease, but heavy to very heavy rainfall probability would be there on 27th over Malkangiri, Koraput, Rayagada, Kalahandi and Navarangpur, and there will be isolated heavy rainfall probability over Gajpati, Ganjam, Nayagarh, Kandhamal, Baud, Sonpur, Bolangir and Nuapada. And as far as wind warning for North Andhra Pradesh is concerned, so Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam and Visakhapatnam districts are likely to experience 75 to 85 kmph, gusting to 95 kmph during the time of landfall, that is from beginning from the afternoon of 26th September and till the landfall, even after the landfall of the system. And also the Gajpati and Ganjam districts of Odisha are likely to experience gale wind speed of 75 to 85 kmph, gusting to 95 kmph from tomorrow afternoon till the landfall of the system, and Puri, Khurda, Rayagada, Koraput, Malkangiri and Nabarangpur are likely to experience 55 to 65 kmph, gusting to 75 kmph. Also, the northern coastal districts of Odisha, Balasore, Bhadrak, Kendrapada and Jagatsinghpur are likely to experience 45 to 55 kmph, gusting to 65 kmph on 26th of September. So that's all for today's weather briefing. So there is this intense system, deep depression over northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal. India Meteorological Department is issuing the 3-hourly bulletin on this system, and you can go to the website rsmcnewdelhi.imd.gov.in, or you can also visit the cyclone page on our website mausam.imd.gov.in and remain updated about the system. We are continuously monitoring the system and issuing the bulletins as per the mandate of the India Meteorological Department. So thank you for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with the daily weather briefing for with regard to this system. Thank you and goodbye.